Hey there, Twitter enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a game-changing guide for you how to get more Twitter followers. Whether you're an individual, a business, or an aspiring influencer, these step-by-step strategies will help you skyrocket your Twitter followers and boost your online presence. Don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more amazing content. Let's dive in. Step 1. Optimize your profile. The first impression matters. Your Twitter profile is your digital identity. Make sure your profile picture, cover photo, and bio are catchy and representative of you or your brand. Use relevant keywords in your bio so that others can find you easily. Step 2. Consistent and quality content. Consistency is key. Tweet regularly, and make sure your content is valuable, entertaining, and relevant. Use eye-catching visuals, GIFs, and videos to stand out in the Twitterverse. Engaging tweets often get retweeted, expanding your reach. Step 3. Hashtags and trends. Hashtags are your best buddies on Twitter. Research trending hashtags and incorporate them into your tweets. This makes your content visible to a wider audience, increasing your chances of gaining new followers. Step 4. Engage and interact. Engagement goes a long way. Respond to comments, retweet interesting content, and actively participate in conversations. When people see you interacting, they're more likely to follow you. Step 5. Collaborations and shoutouts. Two heads are better than one. Collaborate with fellow Twitter users, retweet each other's content, and give shoutouts. This exposes you to new audiences and encourages mutual follows. Step 6. Twitter chats and communities. Join Twitter chats and engage in discussions relevant to your niche. This is an excellent way to connect with like-minded individuals and gain followers who share your interests. Step 7. Run contests and giveaways. Who doesn't love freebies? Organize contests or giveaways and ask participants to follow you for a chance to win. This not only boosts your followers but also creates excitement around your profile. Step 8. Analyze and adapt. Track your progress using Twitter Analytics. Understand what types of content are resonating with your audience and adjust your strategy accordingly. And there you have it, Twitter Champs, our comprehensive guide on how to get more followers on Twitter. Remember, growing your followers takes time and dedication, but with these strategies, you're well on your way to Twitter stardom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow tweeps. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep tweeting and keep shining.